Welcome to Quick eSelling e-commerce platform learning center. Through this video, we will guide you on how to create product categories for your store. Go to your seller dashboard and click on My Products. Select the auction product categories and click on Add Category button to create a new category. Here, write name of the product category you wish to create. For example, enter category name as women clothings. Next column is category Slug. This field is optional and defines your category URL for website SEO. You can enter the name of category here. For example, enter women clothings in category Slug. This will lead to your store category URL such as www.yourstername.com/women-clothings. Next up, upload the category image. This image will be displayed on category sections created on the store. Browse the image in your local directory and upload it. In category banner, you can upload the banner for your category. This banner will be displayed on category list page. Browse the banner image from your local directory and upload it. This is optional. If you would like to create a subcategory under women clothings, make this category as parent category. To do this, select the auction main category and parent category. In case you want to make this as a subcategory under any of already created main category, select any of already created category from the available list. In this video, we will keep women clothings as a main category. Next, you can write a description of the product category that will be displayed to your customers on the category list page. To show this category at top menu level on your store, select Yes in App Left menu section. By default, categories are sorted alphabetically when displayed on store. In order to have your own sort order for categories, you can enter specific number for category to define sort order. For example, by entering 1 in this column, this category will be displayed as first category in store menu. We will leave it blank to keep alphabetical sorting. At last, set status as active for this category and click on Save to complete the category creation. In case you wish to deactivate this category, at any time you can change the state from here, and category will not show on your store. Repeat all these steps to create all the main categories and subcategories before you proceed to add products. In this video, we learned creating category, uploading category image, banner and description. Thank you for watching the video. Happy e-selling with Quick eSelling.